Google Fonts is a great place to go to get free fonts to add to your Keynote installation. To get to Google Fonts, just Google Google Fonts. Once there, you'll see boxes displaying different versions of the individual fonts for you to choose. Once you see a font style you like, click on it, and you will be presented by several different styles of that font. If you would like to download one or several of them, click on Select this style. Once you have done this, it should show up on the panel to the right. If you don't see that, click here. You also have the option to remove the fonts you've selected on this and the previous screen. Now we'll go through the same steps to acquire more fonts to add to our Keynote. Again, you'll be presented with several different styles of your font. Once you are happy with all the fonts and ready to download them, click on the Download Families button, and it will be directed to your Downloads folder. Next, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the zip file that it just created for you. Open the folder and you will be presented with the font names of the different styles that you just downloaded. Click on the first folder and click on the first .tff file. You will be presented with this screen. This is where you install your font down to the computer so it can be used within Keynote. Now follow this step with all the other different fonts that you've downloaded. I'll only do the first few here, but you get the idea, and you would continue on until you've downloaded all the fonts that you've selected. Once you've completed that process, you're good to go, and you can now use your new fonts within Keynote. Magic Move allows you to move the same image from one place to another. Start by copying an image onto your current slide. Format the image the size you'd like. Next, create a duplicate of your current slide. Move the image on the duplicated slide to the endpoint where you want the image to move to. Now go back to the original slide, hit Animate, and select Magic Move. Hit OK if you're prompted by this message, and you'll see the image move across to its final resting point. You can go ahead and click on the Preview button to see how the animation will work. Now let's export these slides to a movie to see how they look in iMovie. Here is a clip we just created, and now we can drag it into iMovie to see how it looks. Keep in mind this is a very simple example, and you can do a lot more with effects and the way you changed animations to make the transition look much more interesting. And we'll take a look at this one more time. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you very much for watching.